What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I have something new. So what happened is I decided to sell the E30. No one was buying it. So I was about to take it down and do whatever with it. Someone offered me a really good trade that I could not refuse. You see behind me is a 1985 Chevy Camaro IROC-Z. And she's pretty mint in my opinion. I'm a sucker for Camaros, so I had to make the trade. But here she is. Some paint chips. Nice set of wheels on it though. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good trade. I've always loved the third gens, so this is going to be my new project, even though I said that I was going to try to downsize from 8 cars. But yep, automatic transmission with a 305 in it. Not bad. Let me show you this side. Yeah, definitely could use a paint job. Also, windshield's cracked and a little crack on the dash. No big deal. You can tell it's been raining a lot. I kind of got stuck, but she runs and drives, kinda. Oh yeah, look at that T-top glory. Oh, and there's also no headliner. That's all right. Matches the other Camaro. But yeah, I think it's pretty nifty. I might turn this into a daily driver. It came with a windshield, but let's see. You can see the crack in it, so that's just wait. Oh, come on, where is it? Oh. It's all there, which is very surprising. Usually like all that's all stripped off the AC. It's got a nice IROC dress-up kit on it. The motor, I did trade it. The guy said that it did have a skip. So I'm like, he thought it was a carburetor. I am guessing it is. I don't know if you can see it down in here, but no. But the wires are a bit frayed from sitting on the manifold. So I'm gonna swap those out one of these days. See how she runs. It also doesn't have power steering. I believe the hose is leaking pretty good, so I'm hoping the pump isn't burnt up, but if not, no big deal. Just go on Rock Auto and order a new one or something like that. It actually sounds pretty nice for even being all stock. I don't know if there's an aftermarket exhaust on it or not. I haven't even put it up on the lift yet, so when it fired up, I'm like, oh, it has a nice throaty sound, good V8 sound, and all of no horsepower because it's 305. But good cruising car. But yeah, fire it up. Oh no. Battery's a bit dead. Yep. Hold on. Let's hope this jump pack has some juice left in it. All right, round 2. Ooh, she cold. Come on, girl. As you can hear, I probably need some manifold gaskets and maybe a possibly new alternator or battery. But yeah, not bad. Eventually, when she does warm up, she'll start to misfire on a couple cylinders because of the burnt wires. Other than that, she's pretty cherry. Now I like to play a little game called What Can I Find in Here? Lots of goodies. Oh, we have critters. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's not sticky. Oh, let's see, what do we got here? Oh, this is full. Carpets and mats. All right, nice. Something got chewed up back here. Oh, what do we got? A mirror. Yep. Throw that right there. Something got chewed up in here. Let's see. Get that out of the way. Oh, almost fell. Ooh, a pen. Nice. Ooh, another pen. Nice. What in the world is this? Cloth. And let's see over here. This, some sort of gasket. Yep. Ooh, let's see, a little pine tree. Jasmine. Ooh, smells good. Keep that. That's got some scent left in it. Two visors. And, oh, what do we got? Oh, look at this. Ugh. I wonder. Oh, wait, here it is. Ugh. Grape soda. Can't believe people actually smoke these things. Nasty. Crushing some Red Bull. And I don't know what's in there. Oh, scratch tickets. Some more acorns. Anything else in the back? Oh, wait, what's in here? Oh, Harbor Freight. Oh, that's two. Some other good stuff. Ooh, quarter. I found me a gumball machine. Let's see. A windshield. Some other stuff. I don't want to break that anymore. I don't think there's anything over there. But yeah, once I get rid of the windshield, maybe there'll be some more cool stuff. You can tell this windshield's been in here a while. Or it was sitting in a junkyard for quite some time, but we're gonna come off of an 88 Camaro with a 2.8 in it. Junk engine. Yeah, I knew that. Good transmission. After I just tossed that windshield, wow, there's a lot of room back here. You fit a whole nother person in there. Let's see. Oh yeah. Rope. Another mirror. Ooh, these are T-top bags. Very nice. Some rust. And let's check in here. Alright, we got automatic transmission fluid. Motor oil. Ooh, this one's pretty full. Motorcycle oil. Oh, that was back up there. Oh yeah, what's this? Aloe and vitamin E. Probably from getting all that sun from the T-tops being on there. Oh, what's this? Another mirror. Wow. Collect them all. What is this? Mystery lube? I don't know. Oh, how pretty. Japanese cherry blossom. What else? Shea butter. Alrighty. Empty. And a bungee cord. Nice. So I pulled the Camaro into the lift bay. Time to see what the underneath of this looks like. Hopefully it's not that bad. So pray for me. Here we go. Okay, she's up in the air now. Let's have a look. Oh, see right here. I guess the fog lights aren't working anytime soon. Looks pretty decent. I'm hoping that's from a different car I had on the lift. Let's see now. Not bad. A little wet there. A little wet there. Power steering line is definitely leaking. So, let's see how the bushings are. Not bad. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Those are bad. Those need replacing. Tie rod ends. Ooh. Okay, so there were tie rod ends. And wait, how did this one do the old shake? Ooh, all right, that one's pretty solid. Might keep that one. This one's pretty bad. Oil pan is a little wet. Same with the trans pan. Just keep on topping her off, she'll be fine. But how's the lines? Okay, good. It's following up. Oh, what is that? What up there? Huh. Let's see what this is. Oil. Oh, alright. So there's an oil leak somewhere. I bet you, I wonder if it's a valve cover. Oh, no, maybe not. Probably front seal right there. Just throwing it around. Alright. I'll pretend I didn't see that. Oh, how's the floors? Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a little crusty there. Ooh, it's wet back there. Oh, no way, look at that. Original catalytic converter. It goes down from duals to single all the way back, and then you got your, kind of like your fake dual exhaust. Oh man, ooh. Rear end's a little wet. Alright, let's go take this thing for a test drive. I definitely need a new battery. I like how the seatbelt barely works. Can't wait to go through the windshield. No power steering. So far, driving it, the steering is a bit off. RPM gauge says I'm doing 5,000 RPMs at 30 miles an hour. Hoping the gas gauge works at about half a tank. Voltage, here's some flux underneath. I don't think both temp gauges are working. Oh, now I'm doing 15 miles an hour, coming up to the stop sign, and I'm doing 5,500 RPMs. So, about to send a rod through the engine into orbit, apparently. She goes pretty good. I'm now doing, I think, 50, maybe faster. Should be probably rumble strip. really have to do something about this steering because it's a bit loose. Well, that's the IROC-Z for you. Not bad. I do have my work cut out for me. But other than that, this will be a pretty fun summer car to rip around in. Take the T-tops off. But let me know what you think of this car. Good? Bad? Get rid of it? Keep it? Who knows? But alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. I want to say thanks for watching all the way to here, to like the 4 people that actually do watch this dumb channel of mine. But alright guys, I want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.